Hello, more spells of wet and windy weather throughout this week, so make the most of Monday because for many it's a fine day with plenty of sunshine around. But already cloud increasing in the west, and that is the first of our spells of wet and windy weather arriving for many overnight. This is the low pressure system responsible, intensifying as it heads its way up towards Iceland, but these weather fronts will increase the cloud later on. Ahead of that, we've got a little bump in the isobars, a little ridge of high pressure. And although there are a few showers in western Scotland, for many it's dry and bright out there and will stay that way. We'll hang on to the sunshine across these eastern areas through the Midlands as well. Further west, well, the cloud is increasing. It'll turn quite grey by the end of the afternoon across Northern Ireland and western Scotland as the winds start to pick up. But for many, as I said, it is a fine day out there, and temperatures getting up to round about average after a bit of a chilly old start, 9, 10, maybe 11 or 12 in one or two places. Now, through the evening, we will start to see that rain pepping up as it comes in across Northern Ireland, western Scotland, and then it kind of lingers over North Wales and northwest England. Some heavy bursts, you can see there, the yellow colours. So potential for some problems from that rain as it really starts to build up through the night. The winds also increasing as the rain spreads to most areas, clearing perhaps from Scotland and Northern Ireland. The strength of the wind should mean we don't see too much in the way of frost. Temperatures in most towns and cities start at 5 or 6 on Tuesday morning. Tuesday then, well, expect a spell of rain, certainly across England and Wales. That rain will be heavy in places. Again there, the yellow colours, that's where the heavier rain is likely to be. There's a band of rain working its way to East Anglia in the southeast. We may not see too much rain here in the morning, but that rain in the afternoon will be heavy. Then it clears, and we see some sunshine, but we also see some showers for Wales, southwest England. Plenty of bright weather across some southern and eastern parts of Scotland, but notice behind me here, very strong winds and further bands of heavy showers starting to come in. Temperature-wise, well, it'll be a real mishmash. 10, 11 degrees across parts of the south for a time, but generally feeling colder despite the sunnier weather across the north and the west as the winds really whip up later on. We actually have a warning in force for the winds picking up through the day across Northern Ireland and into parts of southwest Scotland, northwest England too. In this zone, we're looking at gusts of winds through Tuesday evening of 50, 60 miles an hour. Around coasts, maybe 70 to 75 miles an hour. So those kind of winds could cause some disruption, certainly interruptions to ferry services across the Irish Sea. This is Tuesday evening. You can see there the big swirl. That's an area of low pressure, quite an intense area of low pressure that then continues to sink south. The strongest winds on its southern flank, the isobars squeezing together. So into Wednesday, we have warnings in force across much of England, Wales and Northern Ireland for those winds. Again, 50 to 60 miles an hour. Around coasts could be higher than that. So some big waves, the potential for disruption, particularly through the middle part of this week. Make sure you stay up to date with the very latest through this week. You can do that through the Met Office website or, of course, follow us on social media.